Hi, so I am going to go over a road trip that I have marked down already that I would like to take one day of cities in California. Now, from starting from my hometown down, the first location will be San Diego. And San Diego, because um, growing up, I've always heard of it because of the San Diego Zoo and its um, notoriousness for having over 60 beaches and just the weather always seeming to be in a good, nice kind of stability. Next would be Newport Beach. Growing up, I've always been to beaches, but it was limited to maybe a few, maybe five, a good handful. Um, but I kind of just want to go up the coast and visit there. Um, they said to be having incredible sunsets here in Newport Beach. So that is something I am looking forward to. The next city would be Anaheim. And if you know Anaheim, you know that it is home to Disneyland, Six Flags, Magic Mountain, and also um, home to popular sports teams in baseball and hockey and such. So I have been to the amusement parks of Six Flags and Disneyland, but I think the city in general I would just like to go and see what else it offers, as obviously it has more attractions than what's known. Next would be Monterey. So we're just gonna go up here and get the rest of this road trip map. So Monterey, of course, as you can see, is on the coast, so is known for aquariums and the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. So I thought it would be really cool to go and check that out and just feel the difference of being so close to the coast, environment wise. Next, we have Santa Cruz. And Santa Cruz, obviously, it's closer to the coast, so it has beaches and a lot of fun. So it's another reason why I would like to go. Just another place with the beach that I would like to expand and see. Then we have San Jose. And San Jose has almost twice the size of population and in size in general than San Francisco. I thought that was really interesting because San Francisco seems to be a bigger name that's brought up as like that's for me to say because that's what I grew up hearing, more San Francisco than San Jose, which brings me up to the next attraction city, which is San Francisco itself. And obviously I would like to go there for the Golden Gate Bridge. The most famous, I guess, attraction that San Francisco has is it brings over millions of tourists from around the world to come and see. And last on this list, I have Napa. Now, Napa was actually kind of new to me to hear, so that I guess that's what intrigued my interest in it. But it is said to have a perfect day trip there, it says it's also the region for fantastic wine, so guess when I'm old enough, that's where I'm going. But it has Victorian cottages and it just sounds like a beautiful place to go see and explore what kind of local environment it has there. So that is my future trip that I would like to take. And I learned that this whole trip is to take 13 hours and 2 minutes. And it is 774 miles. Cool that I can just figure that out in within seconds. So yeah, that this will be my future road trip map. Thanks for listening.